What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, link in the description for the merchandise. Don't forget to check out the link for the banners, for the Tucked Official banners. I just dropped another Tuck the World banner right now on the website, so you guys go check that out. Today I'm with Chris. He's got a 1966 Mustang Coupe. Also, everything has been replaced on this, as far as fenders, hood, all the front, grill. He still got to get the chrome piece. He has that. Basically putting everything back together. Started doing headliner today. Headliner went in. Every interior piece is going to be new. Cluster, dash, glove box. Replaced all the door handles, door locks, ignition. Anything and everything with this 1966 Mustang, you guys. Just the three? The fastback, convertible, and then the coupe? Yep. He's got some clips holding this on. As soon as he's got the other seals, everything new for the seals. Like I said, he replaced the trunk lock and everything. It all works. He's had this car for like 4 years, and the first time today was the time you got the trunk to actually close and lock. Everything works perfectly. Got a little bit of paint on the exhaust, but that's no big deal. All that stuff's gonna be polished and come out clean. Everything works. Everything's all new, especially 1966. Everything's all painted inside, huh?
I do have the paper.
You got carpet.
So inside.
Brand new gas tank. All the seals and everything are gonna be replaced. If you guys like this car, he's got a few more things to do to it, and then it should be ready. We got a wet sand, buff it, polish it. It's got a V8, a 302. Everything's all chrome underneath. You just got to polish it up a little bit from the overspray. Yep. Edelbrock.
Yeah.
And it's a 302, right?
Yeah, and MSD ignition.
Yep. New radiator, you guys. Battery, wires, everything. Suspension. It's pretty loud. He's got the exhaust right at the header, so he ain't gonna start it for you guys, but it does run and move. Yep. Yeah, the cluster looks badass.
91,000 miles, I think.
91,000 on it? It comes with it?
Yeah, it comes with it. 91, yeah.
That's nice. All the floor pans and everything have been replaced. Chapo hooked it up with that. This car had holes in the floor, rusted. But that was the only rust spots that were on this car, besides a few other spots, huh?
Almost like the Fred Flintstone car.
Yep. Fred Flintstones.
Yeah.
Here's a box of all the parts, you guys. A lot of this stuff, what is this, for the floor? Yep. These are the old lights, these aren't the new ones, but all the seals, everything. And then he's got the glass, and these glass, it's you insert it, and basically just, he was trying to explain to me, you put like a string, or like maybe like a guitar string around the whole thing, a wire, and then you pull it while you set this up there, and then it basically just suctions itself to the car. So,
No glue needed.
Yep, no glue needed. Reverse lights, huh?
I have the taillights brand new.
Yep. '66 Mustang, you guys. So if you guys like this, stay tuned. We'll have more updates on it. I'll just throw out some little videos here and there so that way you guys can stay updated on some of the vehicles that are being built. You guys see a lot going on in the background, but check out other videos. I'm not sure if this car will be up for sale or not. He hasn't made up his mind yet, but he'll probably find out after he gets everything together. Wet sand, buff it. It's gonna be a mint condition, you guys. I want to know what you guys think on price wise, especially for everything being brand new on this car. What would somebody pay for this? Everything new. And the one from Gone in 60 Seconds was a fastback, right?
Fastback.
Fastback. So that's an expensive one.
Like 80,000 bucks.
80,000. And then if you were to do like a tribute of the Gone in 60 Seconds.
You can do it. You can chop the roof and pull the coupe.
Oh, I got you. Yeah. I got some. I'm gonna have to order some vinyl. We're gonna do 10-inch white racing stripes that are gonna go from the front of the car, the roof, and the trunk. So we're gonna have to get that together for him. That way he can have it on there. So eventually this will have red with white stripes. With I think the black interior is all gonna be black, right?
Yeah, all black.
All black interior. Door panels, seats.
These are brand new.
Everything's pretty much, everything is brand new that's going in this vehicle. The carpet, like I said, the headliner, he put that in today, and he's got it clamped where he's sealing it right now. As far as everything with the car, I mean, door panels and everything are just all over there sitting, waiting for him to install everything. So this car should come together clean and quick. If you guys like this car, stay tuned so you guys can see more updates with it. Or if you guys are a potential buyer, leave a comment. It's got full exhaust. It's like 2.5 inch full exhaust. Headers, all Edelbrock. Carburetor, manifold. And this car hasn't even been wet sanded, buffed, anything. It's just been painted a week ago and just letting it get sunlight so that way it can bake and cure. Alright guys, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.
Break it down low, take it to the ground. I'ma break it down right now. How you do it? Like I see you running, do you? So I can do it, can't do it, get it, go. Run it up, get it up. Weed like a rust, smoke weed like a rust. She call me Papa, Tell me spurs like bucket, you know they can't stop us. Keep my mind at ease.